Hi guys, Dr. Jeremy Height here with Pinnacle Chiropractic and Rehab, and today I want to discuss some of my favorite shoulder or rotator cuff exercises to strengthen the rotator cuff. I talked a lot about load, so increasing the ability for our rotator cuff muscles to just lift more and more weight, which will help decrease pain and lead to a longer term gain in these shoulder issues, rotator cuff injury or injuries. So one of the first exercises, if we call this about 90 degrees, this zero right here, we want to be right in the corner. At 45 degrees, we want to start about shoulder width, and then we're just going to slowly take about 4 or 5 seconds and just slowly raise that weight down. We're going to come right back to that position right here, and we're going to do that. When we slowly lower that weight in this position, it's known as an eccentric motion. Eccentric motions have been shown to be some of the best type of exercises to strengthen these rotator cuff muscles. I'm using a 5-pound weight here. I don't have any issues with my rotator cuff, but sometimes patients are able to start with 3 pounds and then work their way up to 5 pounds and then go to 8 pounds. And we're working our way to doing this 10 times at 3 sets right here. This is for a muscle in the rotator cuff called the supraspinatus. So the next exercises we're doing on our side. So we're just going to go right to a side. Whatever shoulder we're having issues with, we're going to keep the elbow tucked right here. Keep on using whatever weight you can start with. We're going to raise that up to the point of kind of feeling that restriction. And we're going to really slowly just lower that down. Same thing, taking about 4 or 5 seconds right here. Going to bring that back up. Once again, this is an eccentric motion of some of these rotator cuff muscles here. Same thing, we're going to try to shoot for 10 of these 3 sets. If you can't quite do that in the beginning, that's fine. Start wherever you're comfortable and whatever your muscle and rotator cuff muscles can tolerate. And then the next one, we're going to go just straight up overhead, and we're going to be lowering this down kind of as far as we can go with this. And then we're going to come right back up in this position right here. Same thing right here. We're going to do these about 10 times, 3 sets. This is one more eccentric motion of these rotator cuff muscles. These are exercises that I give patients almost every day as far as seeing rotator cuff injuries. They work really well. Sometimes, a lot of times we need to add some treatment in there along with it just to get that rotator cuff muscle healed up right there. But if you have any rotator cuff issues, these are some of the best exercises out there that you can use. Start on those. If you need any other help, let us know and reach out. Have a good day.